Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. We will continue with our 5-minute per day German lesson and we are reading Kiku. And we have on the right side Endo, halt. Halt means like stop. The verb from halt, it can either mean halten, to stop, so it can be a verb, or also have a noun out of this, which is der Halt. Endo, halt. And then we have some vocabulary we had yesterday also. F-you, F-euch, F-you all, F-euch alle. And we have him for the first time. He looks troubled, but okay. And the title is, in English, Das Kapitel, as I said yesterday, the chapter. Ist es wirklich so schlimm mit mir? Ist, to be, schlimm. We said before, I tried to make the adjectives blue. So he wants to say, is it really, wirklich, so schlimm, that bad or that horrible, mit mir, with me, Endo, his name, antworte mir. Antworten means to answer, and me. You might have realized that depending on the verb, the personal pronoun also changes. So to answer somebody, jemandem antworten. Antworte mir, answer me. Wenn du mich in deinem Klassenraum nicht haben willst, werde ich verdammt nochmal mein Bestes tun, dir diesen Wunsch zu erfüllen. We have here the same pattern as yesterday, so we can practice it a little bit. When means if or when you don't want me in your classroom, Klassenraum, werde ich verdammt nochmal mein Bestes tun, dir diesen Wunsch zu erfüllen. Der Wunsch, the wish, mein Bestes. Das Beste means the best. Mein Bestes, my best. Verdammt nochmal means damn it. The constellation we have in the second part of the sentence is werde tun. It's future. I will do something. So, I will do my damn best. And now in the second part, we will see what he means. Dir, you, diesen Wunsch, that wish, zu erfüllen. Einen Wunsch erfüllen means to fulfill a wish. So altogether, if you don't want me in your classroom, I will do my damn best to fulfill you this wish. So you can remember for this lesson, the English I would be ich. Ich heiße Peter. Ich heiße Endo, whatever. Du, you. Mir means mir, but the other you means dir. Here we have one of the many issues with German language, that depending on the verb, we have to change the personal pronouns. So we can try it even with the vocabulary we already learned. How do we translate it is horrible with you? Es ist schlimm mit, is it dir or is it du? Which one is correct? The correct answer is dir. So back to our manga. Was? What? Wenn ich dich schlage, was dann? If I hit you, what then? And here we have such another nice way to say you, which is dich. If I hit you, what then? Schlagen, to hit something or somebody. Eine Woche Suspendierung. No verb here because he just says 1 week suspension. Die Woche, die Suspendierung. 2, 2. Für wie lange willst du mich rausschmeißen? Rausschmeißen means to kick or to throw out. Für, for. Wie lange, how long. Willst comes from wollen and you, do. So, for how long do you want to kick me out? And here we have another nice way to say I, which is mich, and another word for you, dich. Isn't it fun? German language. You just learned 3 ways to say I and 3 ways to say you, but you cannot use it any way you want. So just to make it even more confusing, I love you. Ich liebe dich. You love me. Du liebst mich. So if you are realizing now, or maybe you already know because you are like medium or advanced level, you will see that depending on the function of the personal pronoun, it changes the way we say it. The blue one here on this example is called nominative.